Assalamu alaikum dear students. How are you all? Today is 3rd May 2020. It's your maths class. We are doing unit number 21, area and perimeter. Lesson number 3, area 1. In the last lecture of this lesson, we learned how to find out the area of square. 2 is challenge 2, and challenge 2 is Sasha drew a rectangle. It measured 12 cm by 3 cm. Draw it below. We have the length and width of the rectangle, so we will draw it, and also find the area of rectangle and the perimeter of rectangle. Part A. What is the area of Sasha's rectangle? And part B is what is the perimeter of Sasha's rectangle. First, we will draw a rectangle. Its length is 12 centimeter. You will use your ruler or scale and you will draw the length is 12 centimeter and its width is 3 centimeter. On both sides you will draw width of 3 centimeter and length 12 centimeter. Then you will get its rectangle. Okay, this was the rectangle that Sasha drawn. Okay students, now part A is what is the area of Sasha's rectangle. Area of rectangle, this is the formula how to find out the area of rectangle. We are learning this lesson first, this formula first time, so please concentrate on it. Area of rectangle is equal to length multiplied by width. Okay students, we are doing this first time, so you will learn it very well. Area of rectangle is equal to length multiplied by width. As length is 12 centimeter and width is 3 centimeter. So you will put these values in the formula, then you will get the area of this rectangle. So we are putting the values of length and width in the formula. Length is equal to 12 centimeter and width is equal to 3 centimeter. When length will be multiplied by width, you will get the area of rectangle. Okay students, this is the method to find out the area of a rectangle. Area of rectangle is equal to length multiplied by width. So length is 12 centimeter multiply width is 3 centimeter. 12 threes are 36 and centimeter square, because centimeter is also multiplying by 2 times. So you will put it like this, centimeter square. Don't forget to write centimeter square with the answer. Okay, this is the area of this rectangle. So area of rectangle is equal to 36 centimeter square. We have multiplied length by width and then we got our answer, and the answer is 36 centimeter square. In part B, we want the perimeter of this rectangle. What is the perimeter of Sasha's rectangle? We have done it already. How to find the perimeter of rectangle? This is the rectangle that Sasha drawn. So perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus width. This is the formula to find the perimeter of a rectangle. So perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus width. We know the length of rectangle. Length of rectangle is 12 centimeter and width is 3 centimeter. Now you will put these values in the formula. 2 into 12 cm plus 3 cm. First you will add 12 and 3. You will get 15 and you will write 2 as it is. Now we have 2 into 15 cm. Cm means centimeter. So 2 15s are 30. 30 cm. It is the parameter of this rectangle. So you will put it here. Parameter of this rectangle is 30 centimeter. Okay students. Now we are moving to challenge 2, part 2. It was part 1 of challenge 2. Now we are going to start part 2 of challenge 2. Part 2 is Find the area and perimeter of rectangles with these dimensions. The dimensions are given. You have to find out the area and perimeter of the rectangle. Part A. 8 cm by 4 cm. We have to find out the area and perimeter. First you will find area. Area of rectangle is equal to length multiplied by width. Okay students, area of rectangle is equal to length multiplied by width, as it is given that it is the dimension of a rectangle. So you will use the formula to find out the area of rectangle. Okay students, keep it in mind that you are going to find the area and perimeter of the rectangle because it is given in the question. So formula of area of rectangle is area is equal to length multiplied by width. As it is given that 8 cm by 4 cm. It means that 8 is length and 4 is width. 8 centimeter shown length and 4 centimeter shows the width. So you will put in the formula. Area is equal to 8 centimeter multiply 4 centimeter. 8 fours are 32 and centimeter is multiplying 2 times. So you will write centimeter square. So area of the rectangle is 32 centimeter square. Okay students. Now we are going to find the perimeter of this rectangle and the dimensions are 8 cm by 4 cm. It means that 8 cm is the length and the 4 cm is the width of this rectangle. Now we are going to start to find the perimeter of the rectangle, and the perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus width. This is the formula to find the perimeter of rectangle. You will write perimeter is equal to 2 into length plus width. Length is equal to 8 centimeter and width is equal to 4 centimeter. So you will put it here. 2 into 8 cm plus 4 cm. First you will add 8 and 4. You will get 12. 8 plus 4 is equal to 12 and you will write cm. 2 into 12 cm. Okay. Now 2 12s are 24. Now we have the perimeter of our rectangle 24 centimeter. You will do remaining parts of this question in your homework. Page number 222, challenge 2, part 1 and part 2. Okay students, goodbye, have a good time.